Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest tools and equipment on the market. Today, we're diving into the Dewalt DWE74911 rolling table saw stand, hailed as one of the best in its category. Stick around as we explore its features, performance, and why it might be the right choice for your workshop. If you're in the market for a sturdy, portable, and reliable table saw stand, look no further than the Dewalt DWE74911. Designed with durability in mind, this stand is crafted from high-quality steel, ensuring it can handle tough job site conditions and provide years of service. What sets the Dewalt DWE74911 apart is its ease of setup and impressive stability. It features quick-release levers that allow for rapid setup and breakdown, making it ideal for professionals who need efficiency on the job. Its robust construction ensures stability during operation, even with heavy-duty saws. Maneuverability is another highlight. With its rolling design and sturdy wheels, transporting this stand from your vehicle to the job site is effortless. It's designed to fit seamlessly into most vehicles, making it a convenient choice for contractors who are always on the move. Customers rave about the Dewalt DWE74911 for its sturdiness, maneuverability, and overall value for money. Many have highlighted its ability to handle various terrain and its reliability in supporting different types of table saws. It's no surprise this stand has garnered top ratings across the board. Compared to similar models on the market, the Dewalt DWE74911 stands out for its build quality and user-friendly design. While it may come at a slightly higher price point, the investment in durability and ease of use pays off, especially for professionals who rely on their tools day in and day out. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best rolling table saw stand that combines durability, ease of use, and portability, the Dewalt DWE74911 is hard to beat. Whether you're a contractor, DIY enthusiast, or professional woodworker, this stand delivers on all fronts. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews and product recommendations. Until next time, happy woodworking!